Hi, welcome to Filipino Homes.
Okay, dito ako ngayon sa Mesa Villa Garden. Filipino Home. Filipino Home.
Very good class. Alright. Sige. So, thank you all for coming this afternoon. No? And we appreciate your... Okay, so this 2025, no? We will present to you... Ayaw naman. For the whole of CNI, no? Ang bilogin, no, na CNI from Cebu main office, Visayas areas, Mindanao, and even in Palawan, no? So, ang atong inventory, current inventory available as of end sa second half of 2024 is 14 billion. 14 billion, no? Upcoming projected launches in 2025 in terms phase 2 naman, no, ni Casamira Homes Butuan. Okay. And another installment, no, may Mirani Steps, no, sa Butuan. Again, no. So Mirani Steps Butuan. Ang meaning sa Mirani Steps is it's a walk-up condo. No? Walk-up condo lang siya. No? So, tatlong floors. No? So, wala siya elevator. No? Walk-up condo siya. Alright? So, Mirani Steps. Butuan. No? So, starting at 2.3 million. Total land area is 2 hectares. No? Kaya may complex man siya sa Guam. Okay? So, sales value, total, no? Total, for example, 37.5 billion. No? Padayon kita. Kaya again, we have 14 billion in current inventory, and hopefully if we realize all our target launches this year, no? Possibly kina siya na maglampot 50M. No? But of course, day by day, every month, perme man na siya mabuhinan because padayon ta baligya. Okay? So the opportunity is there, no? Depends na lang sa aton kung if we grab the opportunity, no? And we ride the wave. Okay? So again, my name is George and with me si John, nadula si John, no? Salamat gid, no, sa inyong cooperation and participation sa atong event. Mag-picture tayo na before tamas snaps. Wala ka ng alas 4, so okay pa ito ng oras. No? Picture tayo na yung ganito kasi dyan. No? Okay ka rin yung start para I think we can address yung yeah. Maigo ta, no? Sige lang, ilanawag ka lang. Actually, maigo lang tayo, makita.
Welcome to Philippines. Guys, ulit na ko. So see you sa my next video ko. So mga gusto mag-start na rin message ako.